Science. What'd you bring for us today?
So I brought you some simple supplies. Some teachers might have this in the classroom. We brought these in. These are non-latex balloons, but they're clear-ish so that we could actually experiment with them, okay?
What are we gonna do with a balloon?
So we've got hex nuts here, right?
Okay.
So drop a hex nut in.
All right.
Do a little stretchy.
Oh yeah. Are we gonna blow it up?
Uh-huh. And then we're gonna tie it, ready? So hex nuts inside.
Let's see. Ooh.
Nice. Tie in action.
I don't know, fingernails sometimes getting...
Beat ya.
I know.
Okay. So now what's fun is, look, so
Okay.
if you take the bottom of the hex nut sitting right there and just tap it, it kind of wants to bounce, right?
Oh yeah.
And listen closely. When he bounces, it makes a different sound.
That's
So
true.
the hex nut we put inside specifically because it's got all these little edges on it. So if you
Yeah.
grab the hold of the top
Okay.
and start spinning it around and get the hex nut going.
Oh wow.
Isn't that cool?
That's neat. You know what it reminds me of? Did you ever go to the circus and see the guy in the cage on the motorcycle? That's what
Yeah.
the hex nut's doing. It's staying on the outside.
So here, so hold on to yours for a second.
Oh, wait, let me
Listen.
see.
Yeah. So if I go faster, the pitch goes where? Goes up.
Up.
Right? Because it's going faster, and then as it slows down, listen. Right, now it gets lower.
That's
Isn't that
cool.
fun? So just to prove that it's really cool, and the thing. So no, hold on to yours. I made that one too. Hold on to yours.
Okay, I'm
I
holding
wanted to
on.
get a different one. So I actually put a little Altoid mint inside here, right? Just a little mint. It's round.
Did it have bed breath?
No, the balloon smelled just fine, so it's okay. But I'm sure it's better now.
Okay.
So it's minty fresh. So I wanted you to hear the difference. So
Okay.
So you hold yours still and watch. I'll start this going, and it's a very different sound.
Oh yeah.
It's a smooth side on the outside, so there's no ridges like on a hex nut. Now you do yours.
Yeah,
No.
yours is not even as loud
Right?
as
It's
mine.
totally. But what a fun activity with a simple balloon and hex nut.
And it's fun because you can feel the vibration, which is where we know sound comes from, is
Yeah.
vibrations.
Pretty cool stuff, right?
This is really cool
I
stuff.
really think it'd be fun, or probably smart, if we actually sold it with a bottle of like Advil or Tylenol, because
For the teacher?
it might get a little crazy. But honestly, the kids have so much fun, and it's a great make it right before they go home and send it home to teach what you learned about.
Send it
about
home.
sound.
This is a great one to send home. Also great for if you're trying to make like spooky noises.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. I hadn't thought about that. It's a
I
really
bet
good
you
idea.
hadn't. Anyhow, visit us at reallygoodstuff.com. Steve Spangler Science is on our website. Thanks again for coming this week. Bye.
Bye guys.